Today we discuss about ballistic pendulum. So here, this is one of the arrangement to use it to measure the velocity of the bullets. So this measurement is a log of wooden block of mass m is arranged with the helping of the one of the string is suspended from the one rigid support. Now a bullet of mass small m with velocity v, it is striking on the wooden block. Then this bullet is embedded in the wooden block. This system is rises certain height. So its height is small h. Then we can find out velocity of the bullet. So you can find out u. So here it's making an angle theta with the vertical. Its L means length of the string. Okay. Now, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, according to law of conservation of linear momentum. So, according to law of conservation of linear momentum, before impact is equal to momentum of the before impact is equal to momentum of the after impact. So here before impact it means m into u plus 0. So here momentum of the wooden block is 0. It is the wooden block is before striking the bullet, its wooden block is in rest position. After impact, the bullet is embedded in the block. This block is treated as one of the system. That means small m plus capital M into v. Here v is the common velocity of the system. So here v equal to mu by small m plus capital M. So this is equation number 1. Now we can find out the velocity of the bullet, that is the u. Now according to law of conservation of energy, now according to law of conservation of energy, so here its initial energy is kinetic energy, but at the highest point its energy is potential energy. So therefore loss of kinetic energy is equal to gain of potential energy. So now this can be written as of, here m means total mass of the system into v square is equal to potential energy means mgh. Here mass is total mass of the system into h into gh. So therefore small m plus capital M, small m plus capital M is cancelled. Therefore v square equal to 2gh. V equal to root 2gh. So here V means from equation 1, V means mu by capital M plus small m is equal to root 2gh. So therefore here velocity of the bullet, that is the u equal to small m plus capital M into root 2gh by small m. So this is the velocity of the bullet. Okay students, next one is what is the maximum angle made by the string in after impact? What is the maximum angle made by the string after impact? Okay, now we can find out the theta. So here this is the length of the pendulum. So it means the distance between the suspension point to the center of the pendulum. So here its pendulum is, its rises certain height. So here its value is L minus h. Its value is L minus h. Now we can find out cos theta. Here cos theta equal to h is inside L minus h by hypotenuse, that is the L. So therefore L minus h equal to L cos theta. So therefore h equal to L into 1 minus cos theta. So here h means height of the system. Here h is height of the total system raised from initial position. So now according to law of conservation of energy, loss of kinetic energy is equal to gain of potential energy. So here of small m plus capital M v square equal to m plus m into gh. So here small m plus capital M means total mass of the system. So therefore v square equal to 2gh. So therefore v equal to root 2gh. So here v is the common velocity of the bullet and block. Now from equation 1, now from equation 1, so v equal to m into u by m plus n. So this value is substitute in equation 2. So therefore mu by m plus n is equal to root 2gh. So here squaring on both sides, m square u square by m plus m whole square is equal to 2gh. So therefore here this value is substituted in equation m square u square by small m plus capital M whole square equal to 2g. H means L into 1 minus cos theta. So now we can find out the theta. So here 1 minus cos theta is equal to m square u square by m plus capital M whole square into 1 by 2gl. So therefore here cos theta is equal to 1 minus m square u square by small m plus capital M whole square into 2gl. Here small l is the length of the string. So therefore theta equal to cos inverse 1 minus m square u square by small m plus capital M whole square into 2gl. So this is the maximum angle made by the string after impact.